Man, don't you hate it when your quad decides to eat dirt, leaving your video all crunchy and smudged up? On this video, I'm going to show you how to turn video looking like this to this. So the other day, took a crash and cracked my '03 lens, and instead of spending $100 on a new camera, trying this $15 windshield repair kit. It has this resin that you squeeze up in the crack, and it should fill it in pretty nicely. If that works on that, we're also going to try it on this one. So it comes with this suction cup mount to screw this into, but we don't have the surface area for that, so we're just gonna drip on a few drops and hopefully it fills it in. So yeah, just be sure you coat the entire lens to prevent any warpage or haziness in the video. And I'd even recommend getting one of these UV light pens to help cure the resin even faster. So we put this on maybe about 3 minutes ago.
Right.
And I mean, man, it's hard to tell there's even a scratch there. Wow.
Amazing.
All right, we'll check on it here in about 10 more minutes. See how it flies. And this is the final result. You can see some blurriness in the bottom because we didn't let it cure long enough and the liquid resin dripped down. But the longer I fly, the more I'm realizing it's starting to clear up. And it finally hardened and was able to give me clear video again. Now this might not be the best solution, but if you got an FPV basher, then it'll get you back in the air again. And it definitely beats video looking like this. So let me know what you guys think, and I'll see y'all later.